Welcome to the next lesson, and in this part we are going to learn more keywords about lighting. So the first type of lighting that I want to introduce to you is volumetric lighting. So let's write a prompt. Imagine a young girl studying in a dark library. Okay, now I'm gonna add the keyword about lighting, the type of lighting that I want, and that will be volumetric lighting. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this prompt and let's wait for this image to get ready. All right, the image is ready. Let's open it in the browser. And when you look at volumetric lighting, usually we have lights that in general shows the volume of the environment that we are in. Okay, usually we don't have sharp, for example, lights or shadows on face. Okay, you see it's very soft lights on the face, but again we can see the volume of the environment. Okay, it's a little bit dark because I added the keyword dark in my prompt, but anyway, when you use volumetric lighting, it will show the environment much better. Okay, the next keyword that we are going to talk about will be sharp and strong. So let's write down strong, sharp lighting. Okay, let's wait for this image to get generated. All right, so let's open it in the browser and analyze it together. So if you pay attention, we see less of the environment, okay? And we have strong lights and sharp shadows, okay? Same here. You see we have a strong light in the girl's face. We have a strong light on the objects here. We see less of the environment, okay? Here is the same. We have a strong light here, and it's only this light. You see, we don't have any other lights in our environment. It's only this light that it's just showing us the rest of the room. Okay, so if you want to create images that has the feeling of sharp shadows, you can use this kind of lighting as well. Let's go for the next keyword and the last keyword here, which is cinematic. Okay, so let's remove this part and write down cinematic lighting. And let's fast forward. All right, let's open this image in the browser as well and compare it with the previous examples. So as you can see, we have other lights inside our environment and the image looks like a movie, right? It's like very cinematic. It's the same way in this example. Same way here, we have soft lights and soft shadows on the face, right? They are not very strong or sharp lights, okay? And if we compare it with previous example, you see the difference, right? The feeling of the image is completely different. This is volumetric lighting, okay? You see it's very different. This one was sharp and strong lighting, okay? And this one is cinematic. And when we say cinematic, even the color of the lights are different, okay? And it is like movies. In movies, if you pay attention in good movies, the lightings, usually they try to use different colors of lightings to create different kind of feelings. For example, here in the background, we have blue, soft color, but in the face, we have yellow, warm color, right? It's more or less the same way in these images as well. So that was all about the keywords that I wanted you to learn about lighting. On the next lesson, I will teach you how to use ChatGPT to write advanced prompts for Midjourney. So see you on the next part.